This video is the ultimate 5-minute travel guide to Wales, where I'll give you as much info as I possibly can to help inspire and plan your trip of a lifetime to this incredible destination. So if you're new here, my name's Robbie Romes and I'm a professional travel guide writer, and I also make travel videos here on YouTube. Before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications to keep up to date with all of my future travel guides and videos. Why should you visit Wales? Wales is a small country that packs a huge punch with diverse landscapes including vast mountains, beautiful sandy beaches and ancient castles. Its towns and cities are fabulous and you'll always receive a warm welcome everywhere you go. Wales is perfect for weekend breaks, holidays and my personal favourite, a good old road trip. How to get to Wales? This will depend on where it is in Wales you'll be visiting, but driving to Wales from anywhere in the UK is simple and easy. South Wales can be accessed via the motorway network, with the M4 taking you past Newport, Cardiff and Swansea. In the north, the motorway network will lead you onto the A55, which goes all the way to Anglesey. Getting the train to Wales is a popular option. Swansea and Cardiff are easily accessible from stations across the UK. In North Wales, Wrexham and Rhyl are made via a connection at Chester. If you're flying to Wales, consider Cardiff Airport or one of the airports in England which are nearby, for example Bristol for South Wales, and Manchester and Liverpool if you're visiting North Wales. Don't forget it's really easy to hire a car from any of the major towns and cities. Wales must-see locations. Now this list is endless, so I've provided you with some of the popular highlights across Wales. If you're a beach lover, definitely check out Aberystwyth Bay in Pembrokeshire, which is absolutely unbelievable. In Mid Wales, check out the hidden cove of Mwnt in Ceredigion. In Snowdonia, Harlech Beach is a jaw-dropper and is located near the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Harlech Castle. And my favourite beach in the whole of Wales is Rhossili Bay, located on the Gower Peninsula. Now if you're into hiking and walks, you have to conquer Snowdon, which is the highest mountain in Wales. There's also a nice walk to Llandudno Island in Anglesey, which is breathtaking and is really easy and flat. Pen y Fan in South Wales is a popular and easyish walk, and if you love waterfalls, check out the Four Falls hike in the Brecon Beacons. In terms of towns and cities, in North Wales, Llandudno and Conwy are absolutely epic. Aberystwyth in Mid Wales has a bit of everything. Tenby in Pembrokeshire is a lovely picturesque seaside town. And Cardiff, the capital of Wales, has castles and a load of cool pubs and restaurants. When should I visit Wales? Now that's a very good question. The summer months of June to August will generally be warmer but will still be wet here and there. The UK school holidays in mid-July to the end of August will see popular holiday destinations become very busy and prices for hotels and campsites will be higher. Visiting in the spring or autumn is ideal, just make sure you bring a raincoat. The winter will obviously be colder with occasional snow on the mountains, however popular destinations will be much quieter. Some attractions, campsites and hotels are also closed during the winter. And before we get into the rest of the travel guide, I'm briefly going to show you the sponsor of today's video.
The Ultimate Wales Guidebook by Amazon best-selling travel writer Robbie Romes. Featuring incredible locations, practical tips and stress-saving hacks to ensure your Welsh road trip is simply unforgettable. This book has everything you need from itineraries to hotels and campsites to road maps. Each must-see location comes with a postcode and what 3 words reference to make your road trip easy and stress-free. Order Road Trip Wales for only $16.99, including free UK delivery.
Now let's get back into the travel guide. How long should I spend in Wales? This is entirely up to you and depends on what exactly it is you want to do in Wales. For long weekends, places like Anglesey, Aberystwyth, the Elan Valley, Brecon Beacons, Snowdonia, Swansea and Cardiff are perfect. If you're looking for a summer holiday for a week or longer, look at the Pembrokeshire coast for the best beaches and things to do. Snowdonia also has a lot to offer. If you're doing a road trip in Wales, 7 days is perfect and will allow you to head from north to south or in reverse, and you'll cover all the must-see locations. Accommodation in Wales. Wales is packed full of excellent campsites where you can pitch your tent, park up your camper van, bring your caravan or even hire a static caravan. Some campsites are open spring to autumn, others almost all year round, so please book ahead and check before you travel. Now in terms of hotels, Wales is famous for its warm hospitality and there are plenty of hotels and B&Bs across the country. If you get on Airbnb and Google, you'll be able to find some beautiful Welsh cottages and luxury glamping pods, if that's your thing. Don't forget in the summer months and during school holidays, campsites and hotels will be booked up often months in advance, so it's always best to plan ahead. Getting around Wales. If you're hiring or driving a car, camper van or motorbike, the road network in Wales is great and mainly consists of well-maintained A roads. There is the occasional single track road in rural areas, but these are quite rare. Buses can be a little bit hit and miss, especially in the more rural towns. In the larger cities they're fine though. Trains aren't always regular in the rural areas. Plan ahead if you do intend to travel Wales this way. Keep your eye out for some of the fabulous steam train rides and light railway experiences across Wales, which make for a great afternoon or day out. Planning your Wales trip. If you've watched any of my previous videos or read any of my travel guidebooks, you'll know I always stress how important planning is. This is no different for Wales, especially if you're planning to visit in the summer months. It just makes complete sense to book your accommodation and things like car hire ahead of your trip. If you're doing a road trip, make a rough plan of your trip and use Google Maps to ensure it makes sense and you're not looping back on yourself. Just a few things if you're visiting from abroad. Wales uses GBP, Great British Pounds, as its currency. ATMs are generally available all over the country. Most shops and restaurants will take debit or credit card. English is the main language, although Welsh is still spoken in some areas. And that's it. I hope you have an incredible time in Wales. It's one of my favourite countries in the whole world. And if you enjoyed this video and are looking for more travel tips, please subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on.